Child, I'm about to make the shit out of this knockoff Dunkin' bacon, and it is so easy to make. Snackin' bacon is so good, but you know they only give you crumbs in the pack when you buy them for $4. But I know how to make them at home, so I'm going to show you how I make my snacking bacon. You want to preheat your oven at 350 because everything goes on 350, child. And in the meantime, you lay your bacon out on a baking sheet, and you just going to sprinkle some brown sugar and sprinkle a little bit of pepper, and then just throw it in the oven and let it rip. It's going to come out so delicious. It's going to be better than Dunkin'. Like, I'm not even lying to y'all. Y'all know how I give it up. Make sure y'all go and check out my other cooking videos as well, because I be cooking, but I really don't be doing it. Like, cooking really don't even take that much. It's not even hard. Like, y'all just dumb. Now, once you put it in the oven, you can make it as soft or as crispy as you want. That is a personal preference. And I'm making this for my son, so I made it exactly how he likes it. And there we go right there, dog. Succulent, succulent.